We're starting this project inside Photoshop with a clear design objective. The goal is to build a business-ready visual using a professional workflow, keeping accuracy and consistency as the priority. Corporate posters require a balance of professionalism and visual appeal. Gradient presets provide structured transitions that create depth without distracting from the core message. Using presets ensures repeatable consistency across multiple posters for client presentations or events, targeting audiences in the US, UK, and Canada. The gradient is applied behind key content areas. RGB adjustments refine brightness and contrast to maintain readability. Headlines, logos, and icons remain prominent, while the background